Oops. I got another one here. I can't really show you in this video, but there are like droplets that comes from the tree, and they drop very slowly and then just hits you. And I was trying to catch a few of them. That is so cool. Imagine a rain. Oh my god, all of a sudden I haven't talked so far and it felt like I'm screaming. And imagine the rain droplets like falling slowly instead of like phew. It's kind of like that. These drops are, you can literally see them falling. You can like track them. So cool. And then you can hear them hitting the ground like da, da, da. I want one to land on my face. So weird how slow they come down. I got one, look. It's so cool. Oh my god, that's amazing. Maybe one will drop on my camera and you'll see it. I got one on my face, look. Yes. I'll take that, thank you. That is so cool. Feels good. I feel like it's raining, like not raining but showering, but because of the trees it's really not like cutting through. These redwoods are so cool. So cool. Redwoods are so cool. The redwoods are so cool. You guys are amazing. You're so tall, almost touching the sky. I wish I could be as tall as you. Oh, redwood, my redwood, you're so cool. So high, almost touching the sky. So graceful. So graceful. Just standing there and just being cool. Oh, there are more droplets now. I bet it's raining a little bit more. I got one on my face again. Right here. Let's go, Yordi. Let's go. Get up. go. We can't sit here all day. All right. Oh.